Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the region or even the time zone on DocuSign. So you can easily change the region, time zone, and even date format if you ever need to on DocuSign. So let me show you how. Go ahead and click your account on the upper right, then click on Manage Profile. And under this section here on the left, you have language and region. If you click there, you can change even the language itself. You can change the region settings. So basically, if you click on edit, you have all of these options that you can change. So click on the region, you can switch this to wherever you want. Let me say UK. You can also go ahead and change the time zone as well if you ever need to. You can switch this from match my time zone settings to match my computer settings. It's really up to you, whichever one you want to choose, right? So you can easily go ahead and make whatever changes you want there. Then you have the format settings right here, such as the time. You can switch this to whatever time format you want to use. Let's say I want to switch this to this format. I can use it like that. You can choose the name format right here. So instead of saying first name, then last name, or first name, surname, you can say surname, first name, or surname, first name, whatever, whichever option, right? You have the initial as well. So you have the one character from each, or you can go ahead and say two character from each. And basically you can change that as well. You have the address field order as well, such as the address, city, country, region, postal code. You can switch that as well from here. So if you're looking for the formats, guys, this is the best way how to change your format or formats. That's pretty much all there is to it, guys. Very easy and very simple.